Next weld starting. Now you'll notice as I'm welding, all this scale is coming off the bar. That overlapping weld areas. As you go. Now, I'm going to reverse this in the fire to this other end. So do that, just grab by the other end, and I'm just going to slide these off, just like that, off the edge of the anvil. And actually, heck with it, I'm going to cut the little buggers. Now I'll just pop right off. Oh, it's supposed to pop off. And what they say about the best laid plans of mice and men, often go lay. Damn it, get in there. There we go. So, back in the fire goes. Got hot and well. Be back shortly.